Decide today to be the best in whatever you do. Stop comparing yourself to others and stop looking at others' progress. If you're too focused on the success of others, then you will completely miss your opportunities to be great and live the life that you dream of. Stay focused and do not become distracted by the success of others. Everything that someone posts on social media is not their reality, but a way to throw you off if you fall for it. You see, bitterness and jealousy will only hinder your progress and sever your opportunities. Stop allowing the progress of others to scare you from becoming your best self, because no one is going to stop dreaming so you can catch up and live yours. How bad do you want it? Do you want it bad enough to sacrifice sleep? Do you want it as bad as you need to take your next breath? Don't throw in the towel because someone is currently ahead of you. You have to stay in the fight and keep pushing. Being the best is not for the weak. You talk about you want to be the best, but are you willing to put in the hours? Are you willing to give up free time, family time, me time to get to the top? Being the best means you are willing to sacrifice everything to beat out your competition. Being the best requires going when your body's telling you to stop, fighting through the pain, kicking down obstacles that present themselves, telling yourself that you are a conqueror and there ain't anything in hell that can stop you, and you gotta be hungrier than the next man. Your success is only as great as your work ethic. No one is going to give you the tools you need to be the best. You have to earn it and take it by storm. Today is the day you lock in and say, I'm coming for everything they said I couldn't have. The time is here and the time is now. How bad do you want it?